Hi, I'm Dr. Larry Malerba, and thanks for tuning in to All Things Homeopathy. If you haven't already heard about Arnica, then it's time that you did. I like to call it the gateway drug to homeopathy because once you've witnessed its power to heal, you'll want to turn to homeopathy for all your healthcare needs. Known for its remarkable healing properties, Arnica montana has been used for centuries as a first aid treatment for accidents and injuries. The name refers to the genus and species of a yellow flowering plant native to the mountains of Central Europe. It's sometimes referred to as Leopard's Bane and is popularly known in homeopathic usage as the mountain daisy. Thousands of physicians and millions of patients around the globe have successfully used Arnica to treat the bruising, soreness, inflammation, and swelling that accompanies all types of physical trauma. Savvy consumers want safe, non-toxic treatments, and homeopathic Arnica represents the best of all options, thanks to its reputation for safety, effectiveness, ease of use, and broad applicability. Sold in most natural health stores, Arnica is a perfect fit for bumps, bruises, and contusions, in addition to many occupational and sports injuries. As a general rule, homeopathic Arnica is an excellent remedy for injuries that result in bruising, tissue damage, broken blood vessels, black and blue skin discoloration, pain, and swelling. It's most specifically applicable to blunt trauma to soft tissues. In addition, Arnica can also be of benefit for strains, sprains, and joint injuries. In fact, most homeopathic practitioners believe that the administration of Arnica is the one best course of action to take in the early stages of all cases of physical trauma. No doubt the world would be a different place if homeopathic Arnica was stocked in clinics, ambulances, emergency departments, nurses' offices, schools, first aid kits, and home medicine cabinets. When administered in a timely fashion, Arnica montana can prevent a great deal of both immediate and longer-term suffering. I have personally witnessed remarkable results in my own medical practice with bruises and hematomas resolving in short order, far more quickly than would be expected if left untreated. I also routinely recommend Arnica to my patients to promote healing after surgeries and dental procedures. The legendary efficacy of homeopathic Arnica has made it the choice of many professional athletes and sports teams. There's been a great deal of attention given to sports-related head injuries lately, and in my opinion, Arnica should be the first line of defense in all instances of head trauma. Even surgeons are increasingly recommending Arnica for their patients for post-operative treatment. Most homeopathic physicians agree that Arnica significantly reduces morbidity in trauma patients. It can prevent complications and help speed recovery, even in cases of internal bleeding. My own clinical experience has me convinced that the proper use of Arnica would revolutionize emergency treatment protocols. While strong doses of allopathic drugs are often prescribed for prolonged periods in order to suppress pain and inflammation, homeopathic remedies act by stimulating self-healing. Since homeopathic treatment is based upon a stimulus-response mechanism, just a few small doses are usually sufficient to rouse the body's own innate healing capacity to action. Minor bruises and injuries often respond quite nicely to a couple applications of a low-strength topical form of Arnica, which is readily available in a variety of creams, gels, and ointments. Be advised that topical Arnica should not be applied to broken skin or open wounds. The preferred option for cuts and scrapes is topical homeopathic calendula, which is a preparation made from marigolds that serves as both healing agent and natural antibiotic. Moderate to more severe injuries respond best to oral Arnica, which is commonly available in 6, 12, and 30 strength potencies. For example, a moderate bruise from a fall can be handled with 2 or 3 oral doses of Arnica per day for a day or two. A more serious injury, in addition to necessitating a thorough medical evaluation, is better handled with more frequent doses of a higher strength of Arnica, like a 30X or 30C. One could administer a dose every hour, or even every 10 minutes during the first hour, depending upon the severity of the injury. Please remember, serious injuries should always be given proper medical attention. Homeopathic Arnica is safe and easy to use. Its rapid healing power can be a revelation to newcomers. Every household should have at least one vial of little white Arnica pills nearby in the unfortunate event of a mishap. Getting started with homeopathy is as easy as purchasing a bottle of Arnica and giving it a try when the need arises. I'm willing to bet that you'll be more than surprised by the results. Thanks for listening, and I hope you'll join me again for the next episode of All Things Homeopathy.